Guys, there's a hurricane. You have to see this. Hurricane. And look at this, guys. I bet the chickens are flying again. Let me go see if they're okay. Are you okay, girls? Are you okay? Gosh, guys. Guys, I think that one's the rooster. And you. Hi, girls. Well, hello, boys. Hello. Ah. Bye, girls. Guys, it's so windy. I can see the gray clouds. Okay, guys, we're safe. Let me go see if our bikes are okay. Oh gosh, we're on this side. Oh gosh. Oh guys, look, I can see more gray clouds. This is a massive storm. Guys, this is not okay. This is not okay. Whoa. Look at it, guys. Guys, look.